Alright, so yeah, I might as well show you how that automatic water change system works. I don't have it on autopilot just because I like to stay safe right before I start. But yeah, let's go on down here. I mean, this house is over 100 years old. Get some more light down here. I had more light wired in. I rewired this place a couple different times before I was happy with the way it was wired. Over here is the PLC. This was from a water treatment plant. And the PLC wasn't, but a lot of the hardware was. So a lot of this isn't even used. I actually have given up with these analog inputs for controlling temperature. So I'm going to be downsizing and fitting this whole thing into that small panel you saw upstairs. But yeah, for right now, I had envisioned using this for light control and all kinds of other shit. It's all programmed and wired, but decided not to. So yeah, one of these days I'll finish downsizing this. So that's where it goes up to the tank. I don't know how that piece of pipe ended up pulling back in, but yeah, I had two pieces of pipe coming through. I might have to push that one back in. Most of that wire at this point is dead, doesn't do anything. Over here, so the main way this system works, there's a solenoid valve here, goes back over there to a relay. This was part of a hot water thing I did that ended up scrapping. There's a tank from it. Goes through 3 carbon blocks. I think the first one is, I think it's 100 micron. I can't remember. I think it's 100, 500, 500. And I mean, for some reason my water pressure is ridiculous tonight. Usually it really sucks. So it's kind of blasting out of there. Usually it's just a trickle. Yeah, and then whenever I go to refill these, this is my evacuation valve. So I can drain this down. The solenoid's not activated, so there's no pressure in there right now. Which I had moved the solenoid over to there because I had some weird leaking shit, and it just made it easier. It depressurizes the whole thing, so it stays there unpressurized. This is what's coming off my tank. Out of there. I poured that concrete and put in these bracing. I mean, it ain't pretty, but that's to reinforce the floor. I've done some more behind that foam over there. Yeah, so 2,000 pounds above us right now.